I got myself me a chicken sandwich. Yeah. I got me a double chicken sandwich. Yeah. You see it. Come on, man. With some french fry. Most definitely. Most definitely. Come on, man. You know what time it is. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Come on, man. You see it. Ooh. 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 Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh. Oh, yeah. 20 out of 20. Oh, yeah. Oh, you see, come on, man. Come on, man. Why come out like that? Ooh, wait. That's that zesty. Pause. That's that zesty buffalo sauce from Chick-fil-A. Mm, 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 mm. Excuse me, this get a little messy. Mm. 20 out of 20. Mm. There's these sauce from the buffalo sauce from I don't know. I'm gonna be quiet. I don't want to say a word. Oh, I'm sorry too. Excuse my fingers. My fingernail. I'm a hard working man. Shit hot. Mm, 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 mm. There's the buffalo sauce got a little kick to it. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Let me find out. McDonald's and Chick-fil-A share the same buffalo sauce. It tastes the same damn to me. Mm, 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 mm. I want y'all to know. I don't eat like this in public. I promise you I don't. But it depends on how good the food is too, though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Everybody got though? That was 20 out of 20, that chicken sandwich. Yup. That chicken sandwich was 20 out of 20. Yup. Yup.